If you have worked with image editing software before, chances are you created some pixel art with it. And the good thing is, those low-resolution images can be easily converted into voxel art with a little bit of work in Qubicle. Let's have a look at how this is accomplished. Click File, Import, PNG, as our image is saved in this format. Browse to your file in the import window, select it and click Open. There it is. Every pixel was converted into voxels 1:1. Notice that the PNG's alpha channel is not recognized and therefore filled with black voxels. So the first thing we need to do before we create a more three-dimensional version of the deer is to clean up the matrix from all these unnecessary voxels. The easiest way to achieve this is by using the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar. With the Magic Wand tool selected, place your mouse over the matrix and press Q, as this tool only works inside the matrix. Click on a black voxel to select all contiguous voxels of the same color. To add more voxels to the selection, hold down Shift and click on another black voxel. If you have finished the selection process, just hit Backspace to delete the selected voxels. Now that we've freed our 1 voxel deep flat deer, it's time to pump it up and give it more shape. Copying all voxels across more than one slice to increase the depth of the model is a good starting point. But as you know, voxels can't exist outside of the matrix. So we need to expand the matrix first by clicking on Modify, Work Area, Resize. That opens the Resize Matrix dialog where we enter a greater value for the depths of the matrix. That's enough space to work with. You could now copy every voxel to the clipboard, select another slice and paste the voxels, but there is a faster method. We now use a technique called Duplicate Nudge. Hit Ctrl-A to select every voxel. With the arrow keys you can now move the voxels around. But here's the thing. When you additionally hold down Ctrl, you create a copy of the selected voxels while you nudge them around with the arrow keys. That way we make the model 3 voxels deep. Perfect. Let's flesh out more details. Click on the Select tool in the toolbar and select the deer's legs. Rotate to the front view and click and drag your mouse that all voxels you want to select are inside the rectangular marquee. Release the left mouse button. To add more voxels to the selection, hold down Shift and repeat the process. Now rotate to the right view and duplicate nudge the legs by 1 voxel to each side. Just hold down Ctrl and use the left and right arrow keys. Select the voxels between the front legs. See? The space between the hind legs is also selected. That's because with 3D mode activated, which voxels you select depends on what angle you are looking at your model. Now press Backspace and we get 4 separated legs. What's next? The snout is a bit too wide. You can click on each voxel while holding Shift to make small selections, or switch into 2D Auto mode and make a selection of voxels on the slice the crosshair is indicating. Hit Backspace and the snout is done. Now you've learned enough techniques to finish the rest of the deer. Fleshing out the ears and widening the antlers is up to you. Have fun!